Thank you. Hi, I'm Andrew Bowen. Welcome to Mad TV. Tonight we're going to do something a little different. I am going to randomly pick someone from the audience to come up here and open the show tonight. So let me get some hands to see who would like to come up here and open the show tonight. How about you? Okay, come on. Come on.
Excuse me. I can do it.
Okay, hi, so what's your name?
Bunifa, Latifa, Halifa, Sharifa Jackson.
That's a great name. Does that mean anything?
Yes, it's African. It means the 1st and the 15th. Hey, hold on. Hello? Hey, Sonya, girl! Yeah, on Mad TV. I don't know, some fool in the street was giving out tickets. He gave me one.
You know,
Yeah.
Bunifa, we only have like a...
Yeah. Hang on. Can't you see I'm on my sale?
Certainly do. But we only have a couple of seconds to open every show.
Hang on, Sonya. That's not my problem. If you only had a couple of seconds, then why'd you drag me up here? Don't be dragging nobody up here if you ain't got the time to budget. Looking like a Gap commercial reject. Sonya, I'm telling you, this white boy up here is working my nerves. I told you, Mad TV. What? Oh, girl, no, Snoop is on a special edition of Moesha? Oh, girl, what the hell am I doing here? Girl, I'm on my way. I'm out of this cracker box. Where the exit?
Underneath the bleachers.
All right. I'm telling you right now, get this out my face or I'm gonna hurt somebody.